Hi friends, very good morning all of you. Welcome back to CAP classes. My name is Pavan Kumar. I am the chief instructor of CAP classes and I am a chartered accountant, also a qualified cost accountant, and I've been in teaching for the last 1.5 decades. So in this 15 years, I have been training so many students appearing for professional courses, various courses like CA CMA Indian courses. And also I trained many students who have given their international global courses like ACCA, CMA USA and CPA USA. After this pandemic, especially when this education shifted from a physical classroom to online domain, and the usage of this recorded classes, virtual classes, online classes, digital learning increased at a very good rate, which is also a positive phenomenon. Using technology at your convenience, you are learning, and especially if you are working, okay, this adds value. So because of this shift, because of this change, many students started asking me, Pavan sir, you are teaching CA course online, why can't you teach ACCA, CPA, CMA courses online? But because of my busy schedules and my commitments, I couldn't do it earlier. And today I am here with a very happy and great news for me. So I'm here to share with you that we are launching global courses like ACCA, CPA USA, CMA USA. In that, the first leg, we are starting with ACCA paper. Since I am a trained IFRS professional and I teach international financial reporting, I teach Ind AS, I teach accounting financial reporting for CA final and CA intermediate levels. I also teach IFRS for ACCA students, and I've been teaching ACCA for the last 5 years. So since I have hands-on experience in this accounting international financial reporting, we are launching a batch to help the students who are writing a paper called SBR, Strategic Business Reporting. So as you know, in ACCA, similar to CA, there are 3 levels, and in the highest topmost level, which is considered to be the final level, there is one of the most important papers, Strategic Business Reporting, which is nothing but, basically in one sentence, it is nothing but accounting standards. So global accounting standards, which are known as IFRS. So we are starting with that course. Okay, so today I am just going to give you the details of the course. What is ACCA? What is the strategic business reporting? What is the syllabus? When we start the batch, and all these things I am going to give. I am sure this will be useful for many of the students and those who know me for the last so many years. Okay, you please join the course if you are looking for writing SBR in this September or December, or if your friends are writing ACCA exams, please spread this word and share the love. So this website you can see on the screen, it is accglobal.com. In this you can see the resources on the left side, strategic business reporting syllabus, and up to this 20 September to 21 June, that means already the exam happened in this. So if you are downloading the syllabus, please do not download the first one, that is old one, and this one is relevant for us. Strategic Business Reporting International Syllabus, September 2021 to June 2022. We are going to discuss this. I have already downloaded this document just now, and this is the document. Okay, this document comprises 19 pages. Do I need to read all the 19 pages? No, I'll tell you what are the important areas. So I am scrolling it down. This is the structure of ACCA. Okay, for those who are entering into ACCA education now, this is the structure. From the below foundation, when you start, this basic level is called applied knowledge level. There you have only 3 papers. Previously we used to call them F1, F2, F3. Now also we are calling with the number F1, F2, F3 up to F9, and then after that P1, P2, P3 we use. But there is a change in the nomenclature, change in the headings of the subject. So the first paper is business and technology, then financial accounting, then management accounting. This is your foundation level. Then one step above is called applied skills level, which is something similar to CA intermediate. I consider this equal to CA intermediate. F4 to F9, these 6 papers will be there here. Starting with law, corporate and business laws, then financial reporting, financial management, then auditing and assurance, performance management, taxation. These 5 are this intermediate level, that means medium level. And then comes on the upper level, strategic professional level, we call it P level, professional level. Okay, there you start with ethics module and you need to know the professional ethics. After that there are 2 parts. One is essential part, that means mandatory subjects, and after that optional parts. So there are two mandatory papers, SBL and SBR, Strategic Business Leader and Strategic Business Reporting. Okay, so we are speaking about this SBR paper today. So total at professional level you have 4 papers. 2 papers are mandatory papers, and after that there are 4 papers. Out of that 4 papers you can choose 2 papers. These are called options, optional papers. Advanced auditing is there, advanced performance management is there, advanced financial management is there, advanced taxation is there. So basically this is advanced section. So all audit, performance management, financial management and taxation all are advanced level, and obviously strategic business leader and SBR, strategic business reporting, are also advanced levels. Okay, you need to have a very good understanding of IFRS when you are writing this strategic business leader and strategic business reporting papers. So if you go to, see, there is so much of the information given in this 19-page document, but I request you to come to para number 10, which will make you understand what are the contents of the syllabus. So para number 10 deals with the syllabus. So in that many parts are there. A part deals with fundamental ethical and professional principles. This is what we call professional ethics. Any course you do a domestic course or you do any global course, professional ethics will be there in the syllabus. Professional ethics will be there. Normally it will be there either in accounting or it will be there in auditing. Okay, so first one is ethics, ethical behavior in corporate reporting. Then the second one is framework, the application, strengths and weaknesses of the accounting framework. That means the advantages of using a systematic framework and the limitations posed there. C part deals with the standards that are there in your syllabus. Revenue, okay, we call it 15, IFRS 15. Then non-current assets, property, plant and equipment, intangible assets, investment property. Then financial instruments, 3 standards are there for financial instruments. Then leases, lease accounting, employee benefits, 19, international accounting standard, income taxes, 12, provisions, contingent assets, contingent liabilities, 37, share-based payment, 2, fair value measurement, 13, reporting requirement for SME, small and medium scale enterprises, other reporting responsibilities. This is C, which is very, very, very important and core area. And the next core area is group financial statements, which we call in India consolidated financial statements. Globally we call it group accounting. In this group accounting, D, financial statements of group of entities. There we discuss about consolidated balance sheet, consolidated statement of P&L, statement of profit and loss, and then consolidated cash flow statements. That is there. Then accounting for associates, accounting for joint ventures, and if there is any change in the group due to restructuring or due to your planning, if there is any change in the structure or if there is a restructure of the group, what is the accounting requirement that is there. Then you have foreign transactions and entities, that is the 4th item in D. Then E comes interpret financial statements for different stakeholders. This is where you are leveling up. So till D point you are learning how to prepare financial statements, and imagine you have become a professional, you have become a professional accountant or auditor. Then one client comes to you and he has given financial statements of one company and asked, please let me know if I can invest money in this. So as a consultant for different stakeholders, be it a lender, be it a potential investor, be it a private equity firm, some potential party came to you and they are asking you to interpret financial statements. You need to do analysis. So up to D part, you are learning how to compile, how to make accounts, how to draw accounts, how to prepare financial statements. After that, you are learning how to analyze, how to interpret. Okay, so how to analyze and give conclusions about the financial position of the company, financial performance of the company. This you will learn in that E. Then F, the impact of changes and potential changes in the accounting regulation. Previously, 10 years, 15 years back, people used to think like taxation is dynamic paper, there will be a lot of changes. Law will be dynamic, there will be a lot of changes. Auditing will be dynamic, there are a lot of changes. And they used to consider accounts as a static paper where there are no changes. So it is something like 20 years back a student studied accounting, today a student studied accounting was same, long time back, but not now. Last 10-15 years there are drastic changes in accounting. I have seen as a student when I qualified CA in 2006 what is accounting, and today in 2021 when we are discussing about this on the 14th of July what is accounting, I have seen the transition. It is huge changes are there in accounting. Accounting has become one of the most dynamic subjects ever. And I mean it, accounting has become one of the most dynamic subjects. Now you might ask, Pavan sir, since 100 years, 200 years it is not there, 10 years, 15 years it has become like that. Why? This is because of the change in the way a business is carried on. Previously, to purchase a mobile phone, you used to go to mobile store, but to purchase a mobile phone, today you are opening Amazon, isn't it? So this e-commerce, technology, they changed the way the business is operating. So when the business model changes, accounting regulations will change. Accounting regulation changes, accounting principles, policies will change, and that will reflect in a change in recognition, measurement, disclosure, requirements of various transactions and events. So this framework, the four pillars and the structure remains same. For example, what is asset will be, see, whatever the item is which is to be recognized as an asset 20 years back, today also the same definition of asset will be there. After 10 years also probably definition of asset will not change. Definition of asset will not change. But under that umbrella, everything will change. The umbrella will be same, but under the umbrella, everything will change. So if there is a change in the accounting regulation, or there is a potential change in the regulation, how the accounts are being affected, that is there in F. Then G is employability and technology skills. At the end of the day, how great you are in your knowledge. You might be a gold medalist, you got 99.2% of marks in your school or board examinations, or you have got distinction or rank in this CA ACCA examinations. But at the end of the day, remember one thing, to pick you by any corporate or big four, normally whenever you are doing ACCA, your first focus will be on big four, and then will be on the Fortune 500 companies, or we call it Nifty Next 500 or S&P. These are your targets. All those people, they will never hire you just for the sake of qualification. They will hire you for your skills. So how to improve the employability and technology skills? Obviously, computer packages. So use computerized technology to efficiently access relevant information and to change the information. Work on relevant response options using available functions, technology as it would be required in the workplace. Even I tell you, many students, they do not know how to use PPT, MS Word and MS Excel also. These are the basics. And after that also there is so much to learn. Like, ERP, SAP, isn't it? Then navigate windows and computer screens to create and amend responses to exam requirements. This we will teach you at the end of the batch. Okay, then present data and information effectively using appropriate tools. So this G, don't worry about it. This is for real life and exam. That C and D are there, no? C and D are the parts of core syllabus. D is consolidated financial statements, group accounting. C is, in your balance sheet P&L, various items like revenue, expenses, assets, liabilities, etc., income taxes, all these things. You understand? So this is the syllabus. And I am doing this course in association with NGS Professional Academy, Hyderabad. Okay. The director, founder of that academy, he is my long-time friend. I know him for long. So we are conducting this ACCA course in CAP classes in association with NGS Academy. So you can contact me for admission. You can contact the phone number given below in the description. Or if you are already existing student of NGS, or if you are more comfortable there, you can contact them also for the class. Anyway, this will be completely online class. This will be done through, online platform with recorded backup. If at all you miss the class, a recorded backup will be given in our mobile applications. So you can access it sitting anywhere in the world. In your mobile also, you can easily view all these recorded lectures. The lecture plan will be approx 80 to 100 hours, but it might sometimes go up, it might sometimes come down. Also, quality is more important, not the quantity of the hours. I ensure that conceptually I will teach 100% of the syllabus, and I ensure that you are exam ready. I ensure that you are exam ready. So if you are a student who is writing SBR in September or December of 2021 or in 2022, this course is for you. We are starting this within 10 days. I will announce the date, I will announce the timetable and schedule, so as to enable many students to attend this course. We have scheduled this in the evening because many working professionals will be there, or this ACCA course now is being taken up as additional course by chartered accountants in India, CA students. So many article going or office going students will be there, or those who are in practice are also doing ACCA under me, this theoretical training. So to enable all of them, we'll conduct classes in the evening around maybe 7 to 8:30 or 7 to 9, something like that. We'll plan based on the number, based on the convenience of both the students and the professors. Okay, so this will start within 10 days. This will end maybe within 60 days, so that you will be able to write the examination in September, December. Okay, so this, I'm pretty much excited to announce that I am launching global courses. If you are my existing student, you know me, okay, how conceptually I teach and the vast coverage of the syllabus and more practice models and examples, what we do in the classroom and all, you know me pretty well. So if you are doing ACCA course, please contact me for the classes. And if any of your student, any of your friends or relatives, if anyone is looking for ACCA classes, please contact me. Soon I'll announce a batch for CPA USA and CMA USA also. Okay, so I'm seeking your wishes and your good wishes and blessings in this new project. Thanking you so much. Hope this will benefit you a lot.